for Series 10, we developed the largest and most advanced display ever for Apple Watch. It's the biggest wearable display we've ever built, even slightly bigger than Apple Watch Ultra. And compared to previous generations, it has up to 30% more screen area. And you can see an additional line of text and apps like messages, mail, or news. Jet black. It's our first ever polished aluminum finish for Apple Watch. This deep, glossy black was developed specifically for Series 10. The case is made from our durable aluminum alloy and polished using silica nanoparticles until the surface achieves a reflective shine. Joining jet black is a beautiful warm rose gold, along with our ever-popular silver aluminum. We pushed the limits of technology to make Series 10 the thinnest Apple Watch ever. At just 9.7 millimeters, it's nearly 10% thinner than Series 9. Achieving this radically thinner profile required further miniaturization of several already tiny internal modules, like the SIP, digital crown, and speaker. The speaker system was completely re-engineered to be 30% smaller, without any compromise to acoustic performance. And for the first time on Apple Watch, you can play media like music or podcasts directly through the speaker. Also contributing to Series 10's thinner design is an innovative metal back that fully integrates the antenna into the housing itself, combining two layers into one. And we're introducing another lightweight material in a gorgeous new finish, polished titanium. This year, Grade 5 titanium replaces stainless steel. With titanium's remarkable strength-to-weight ratio, Series 10 weighs almost 20% less than the stainless steel Series 9, in one of three stunning colors: natural, gold, and a dark slate gray. And we've updated the elegant Milanese loop and classic link bracelet to perfectly match the titanium finishes. To complete the metallic look, the Reflections face has an intricate shimmering dial that reacts subtly to your movements and transitions gracefully to always-on mode. Of course, inside Series 10 is custom Apple silicon, which powers all the incredible capabilities of every Apple Watch. The new S10 SIP is designed for performance, power efficiency, and intelligence. Its 4-core neural engine quickly processes machine learning tasks and uses advanced transformer models to power the intelligent features you already use every day, like double tap, on-device Siri, dictation, and automatic workout detection.
With the compact design of Series 10 plus the fastest charging ever, it's so easy to wear your Apple Watch day and night. And now, Series 10 can also alert you to a major health condition that impacts over 1 billion people worldwide: sleep apnea. You can view your nightly values in the Health app, which can also help you understand the restfulness of your sleep. Every 30 days, Apple Watch will analyze your breathing disturbance data and notify you if it shows consistent signs of moderate to severe sleep apnea. As always, your data is secured in the Health app, which will tell you when sleep apnea may have occurred, and provide education on the importance of speaking with your healthcare provider. We expect clearance from the FDA and other regulators very soon, with availability in over 150 countries and regions this month, including the US, Europe, and Japan. In addition to Series 10, sleep apnea notifications will also be available on Series 9 and Ultra 2.
The design of Series 10 is truly a milestone of watchmaking. It has the powerful S10 SIP and a breakthrough new sleep apnea feature. Apple Watch Series 10 starts at $399. You can pre-order starting today, and it will be available on September 20th.